How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can backup and restore your messages. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your WhatsApp from your device and get logged into your WhatsApp account number. Then tap on three dot icon on your top right and tap on to settings. Then tap on to chats. You'll see chat backup. Tap open it and tap on backup. As you can see that this is in the process of getting backed up, and as the backing up process is completed, you can go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp from your device, and when you install your application again, you can simply tap on restore. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.